What?
Look at that tree too.
It's a cave, you know.
Cave. Oh no! My shoes.
Oh my god. Oh wow, what is this? Huh? It says it's a pterosaurus.
What is that?
Oh, that's your favorite?
Yes.
Oh my god. Hi T-Rex. Oh, why are you wiggling your tail? Oh, you hungry?
Allosaurus? It's Allosaurus? Look at his eyes.
Is he? Oh,
Oh, he's blinking eyes too.
look at the
Allosaurus.
tail.
Look at that.
What is this?
A triceratops.
Wow. I think he's eating grass, you know?
Wait, what happened for him?
What happened?
His eyes is red.
Alright.
Look at that. What?
What's that?
But where we can go?
I'm gonna push it. You don't need to worry, okay?
What dinosaur is that, Gabriel?
I'm not kidding. This one. What is this?
A mountain.
No, it's a volcano. Yeah, it's a volcano.
Inside the monster.
No.
Look at the Stegosaurus, Gabby.
Hi, hi.
Wow. Look at that's a T-Rex.
Oh, yeah. Is that a Papa T-Rex?
Yes.
Wow. What's that, Gabby?